Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help with how to recover WordPress admin access. If you own the site, first gather hosting control panel access, FTP or SFTP credentials, and a verified email for the admin account. Pause here if you cannot prove ownership and seek permission from the site owner. This guide focuses on safe, responsible recovery paths and improving security afterward rather than exposing ways to bypass protections. When legitimate access methods fail, consider official hosting recovery options and administrative tools. Use password reset links sent to the site admin email or contact your host to validate identity and restore access. If you have command line access with permission, WPCLI can help manage users safely, but only after verifying ownership. Always document your actions and change passwords to strong, unique values after regaining control to prevent future lockouts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support ethical tutorials and tips. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they keep lunches tidy and save time on busy days, making remote work and site maintenance easier. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you pick some up, I think you will enjoy them. Now let's get back to the video. After recovery, harden your site to prevent recurrence by rotating credentials and enabling two-factor authentication for admin accounts. Conduct a security scan and remove outdated or suspicious plugins and themes, then apply updates to core and extensions. Implement a regular backup schedule, stored off-site and restrict database, and file access to trusted administrators. These steps reduce risk and help you recover faster if issues arise again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.